Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Shopify login issues. Admin access problems solved step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the correct Shopify login page at accounts. Shopify.com and not a fake link. Next, type your email address carefully and check for extra spaces before or after it. Then, reset your password by clicking Forgot Password and use the newest reset email you receive. After that, open the reset email and verify the sender domain is Shopify.com before clicking anything. Now, create a strong new password and save it in a trusted password manager to avoid mistakes later. Next, try logging in again using an incognito or private window to rule out cache session problems. Then, clear your browser cache and cookies for Shopify sites and restart the browser. After that, disable browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers that may break the login page. Now, switch to a different browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge to test if the issue is browser-specific. Next, try a different network or disable VPN and proxy settings that can block Shopify authentication. Then, check your device date and time settings and set them to automatic to prevent security token errors. After that, complete any CAPTCHA or security prompts carefully and do not refresh mid-process. Now, if you use two-step authentication, verify your authenticator app times sync and enter the latest code. Next, if you lost 2FA access, use your recovery codes or start the Shopify 2FA recovery process. Then, check your email inbox spam and promotions folders for Shopify security or verification emails. After that, make sure you can receive emails by testing with a different sender and freeing mailbox storage. Now, confirm you are selecting the correct store if you manage multiple Shopify stores under one account. Next, if you are redirected to a staff login, confirm you are using the admin email that has staff access. Then, ask the store owner or another admin to verify your staff account is active and not removed. After that, have them check your permissions, including access to Shopify admin, and resave your role. Now, if your account is locked due to many failed attempts, wait a while and try again with the correct password. Next, review Shopify status at Shopify.com to see if there is a platform-wide login incident. Then, update your browser to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues with Shopify's login system. After that, update your operating system and restart your device to clear background network or certificate issues. Now, if you see store unavailable or similar messages, confirm the store URL is correct and the store is not paused. Next, if you are on a company network, ask IT to allow list Shopify domains and remove firewall restrictions. Then, collect key details like screenshots, exact error text, time of issue, and the email used to log in. After that, contact Shopify support from the Help Center and provide those details for faster verification and recovery. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.